Whoever said men were dogs' best friends obviously have not met the Barnacle sisters. Bernadette and Beatrice have devoted themselves in the dog world, and after a sudden retirement, they are back and better than ever, and we are fortunate enough to film their rise back to the IDGs.
So it's been 4 years now since Paul passed, or to give him his full name obviously, Prince Roman Ramos Ernst, and it's a very strange feeling to be going to the IDGs with a totally new dog, and you know, but Paul's always in our hearts, and obviously still in the garden. Would you like to see our little plot where we've put him?
Yeah.
Okay, follow me then.
This year.
They absolutely do burn, and obviously, you know, this was Paul's favourite bush. He often used to come out for a little tinkle, and we thought it was appropriate for his final resting place to be beneath the bush.
Yes, it's that one, isn't it? Or is it that one? What one is it?
So when did you get the irrepressible dark horse Sveist? Dave, is it?
Dave. Must have been about a year after Paul passed. You know, when we discovered Dave.
Yeah, he ran out in front of BFF, didn't he?
Yeah.
And I thought that was an absolute sign.
Yes. And we have high hopes.
Really confident that he's going to do absolutely brilliantly.
So can you show us some of the basic tricks that Dave already knows? Would that be okay?
Yes,
Right.
yes we can. We'll just get set up and then we'll take it from there.
Okay then.
Okay, so the next trick, Dave runs up to the tree.
Right.
Runs up.
Yeah.
Up and then does a back somersault. I'm sure you'll be impressed by this one.
Yeah, that sounds brilliant.
And Dave and back. Dave, back. Bernie, perhaps you can give me some help here. Dave. Can we back, Dave?
So, how does this help with Dave's training?
This section helps Dave with stamina and agility.
Bernie.
Who's that?
That is Ernest Goldroot. Ernest.
Beetroot. Bernadette.
Lou Baxter.
Oh, he's getting his claws done for the IDGs in 2 weeks.
Ah, yes, I guess we'll see you in 2 weeks then, won't we?
What? I thought you were retired.
What? Insolence. Pass. Come, Bern.
How are you feeling now at the IDGs?
I think we're feeling really confident. Dave's as good as he's ever going to be. And we're just, you know, looking forward to the competition. Isn't that right?
Definitely. I've got a really, really good feeling about this one.
Yeah.
Really have.
Okay. Well, good luck, and we'll see you on the other side.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah.
So, how'd it go?
Not as well as we'd have hoped. He did get these for showing up, but obviously it's the taking part that counts. That's what I always say, isn't it?
Is it? It's only 12 minutes. I just think we were robbed. I think it's an absolute travesty.
So, Ernest, how's it feel to have now won 10 times at the IDGs?
Oh, it feels amazing.
Okay, let's see the trophy then.
Okay. 15 days.